right, okay, welcome to lesson 17. First things first, go grab your journal and write lesson 17 at the top. Okay, now what I need you to do is I need you to go grab 4 colors of this clay. It's kind of like Play-Doh, clay. Go grab 4 colors. Okay, did you get 4 colors? Now here's what I need you to do. I need you to break them up into little pieces like this. Okay, so you'll see, I've got them all broken up. Pause me and break yours up. Okay, now what I need you to do is I need you to get out of your little pieces. I need you to get out 12. So can you have 12 in front of you? Pause me and get out 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have 12 pieces in front of me. Now, what we're going to do is I want you to pause me and see if you can make 3 equal groups out of your 12. So you've got 12. Can you make 3 equal groups? Pause me. Did you do it? How many are in each group? Well, let's try it. We need to have 3 groups. So, here's a group, here's a group, here's a group. It's like when you're playing a game and they're the team captains. Now they're going to call friends on their team. Okay? So they're each going to call someone. How many? How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if we have 12 total and we break it up into 3 groups, how many are in each group? 4, right? Good. Okay, now I want you to get 16. Get 16 little. So we had 12. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Can you break that 16 up into 4 equal groups? So get your team captains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pause me. Put them into their groups to make 4 equal groups. Did you do it? Okay. If you had 16 and we broke them up into 4 equal groups, how many are in each group? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have 16 total and you break them up into 4 equal groups, how many are in each group? 4. Right. So let's think about what we just did. We had 4 groups of 4, right? So let's write that down in our journal. You're going to write 4 times 4 equals 16, right? That means 4 groups of 4 equal 16. 4 groups of 4 equal 16. Okay, I've got a question for you here. Let's pretend that I'm baking cookies, okay? And I have 20 cookies that I need to bake. So I need you to get out 20 of your little pieces of dough. 20, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to organize them. Pretend that you have a cookie sheet, like a cookie pan, that you bake cookies on. And you've got 20 cookies, and you've got to get them into rows and columns. 20 cookies evenly. So pause me, and how can you get 20 cookies evenly? Pause me and do it. All right, did you do it? There's a few different ways that we could do it. We have 20 cookies. I want you to watch what I'm going to do, okay? Just go ahead and watch. Let's see. Let's make sure that you can see. So 20, huh? have 4 there. I'm gonna keep going like this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Okay, look what I have made. Here's my cookies. Okay, do you see my cookies there? I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 rows. 5 are going across. 5 rows. And I did 4 down. 4 in my column. So 5 in my row, 4 in my column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's how I did it. Now, you may have done it like mine, or yours might be a little bit different. But for right now, we're going to draw mine. So, I want you to get your journal, okay? Now, remember, we had 20 cookies, okay? So we had 20 cookies. And do you remember? I did 5 across, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's fill this in, okay? So fill yours in. That's our array. That's our array of 20 cookies. Now, we need to write a multiplication problem for that. So, this is how we look at it. This is 4 groups of 5. Here's our group of 5. Here's our group of 5. Here's our group of 5, and here's our group of 5. Can you circle your groups of 5? So this is 4. Let me write it in marker so you can see it. This is 4 groups, or 4 times 5 equals 20. This is 4 groups of 5, or 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, now there's another way that we could do this, right? This 20. Now what we could do, and maybe you did it this other way, is we can do 5 columns with 4 rows, with 4 in each row. Okay, so now let's draw that array. Okay, let's draw that array. So, grab your journals. So that was the first array. Now what we did is we just moved them around, and we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 across. Okay, now let's fill them in. Fill yours in. Now let's circle our groups. Remember, you always circle the rows. Circle your groups. Now we can see it. Now we can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of how many? 4 equals 20. Okay, we have 5 groups of 4 that equal 20 in this array. And they both equal 20, right?